The Rubik's Cube is an essential component of modern pop culture, and as a result, it is well represented in different kinds of artworks. It should not come as a surprise that there are several noteworthy statues inspired by the Rubik's Cube. Hello awesome people, this is Cubify, and in this video we will going to see some of the most important Rubik's Cube statues in the world. But before going further, please watch the full video and subscribe the channel. First, Rubik's Cube model in Hong Kong. A Rubik's Cube model was installed at Hong Kong's Nina Mall in the late March of 2021. The sculpture measures 67 square foot on each side. It even holds the Guinness World Record for being the world's largest Rubik's Cube. Although it is a sculpture, it can be mechanically rotated and solved just like a real cube.
Yeah, boy.
However, that is going to be a quite task as it is very large cube.
Oh no.
It has proved to be very popular among cubers. Tell me, what do you think about this Rubik's Cube sculpture? Second, aluminum Rubik's Cube sculpture at the University of Michigan. A group of students at the University of Michigan built a humongous Rubik's Cube sculpture made from aluminum. At 680 kg, it is one of the heaviest sculptures dedicated to the Rubik's Cube. Despite being so heavy, it can be solved by a single person easily. The sculpture is hugely popular among students and the visitors of the university. Tell me your views about this sculpture. There are various examples of sculpture that are inspired by the cube from across the world. The Rubik's Cube popularity as a subject for various art forms shows that it is an enduring symbol of modern culture. So guys, now you know some of the famous Rubik's Cube statues in the world. Tell me in the comment box your views on this, and also tell me if you want more such short and informative videos. So if you have any question, then you can do let me know in the comment section and I will love to help you. And if you learned something new, then please like the video, subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss my latest video. And remember to press the bell icon. You can also stay connected with me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links are in the description box. And now watch this video.